A Trinity College Dublin law graduate has been found guilty of killing a University of Limerick student after a confrontation on the Greek island of Syros in 2021. Joseph Patrick Connolly, 24, from Rostrevor in County Down, was found guilty of using deadly bodily harm when he punched Niall O'Brien, then 21, in the early hours of August 30th, 2021. Connolly was convicted last Tuesday after an arduous 12-hour court hearing in Ermoupoli on the island of Syros, the administrative capital of the Cyclades Islands. He was handed a 6-year sentence but was released on bail pending an appeal. The Sunday Independent was the only Irish media to have a reporter in court for the trial. The prosecution said the case highlighted the terrifying problem of young Irish and British students drinking like there is no tomorrow and causing problems when on Greek holidays. Witnesses said that Niall O'Brien, a keen hurler and golfer who was studying financial mathematics in UL at the time, was in control and not displaying outward signs of drunkenness when he was punched hard in the face by Connolly. The two students had travelled separately to the island of Syros with groups of their college and school friends in August 2021 after COVID restrictions were lifted. Syros is approximately 100 kilometres south of Syros, the island where the trial took place last week. Anne and Mick O'Brien, the victims' parents, were among a 19-strong group that travelled from Ireland to the Greek island for the trial. The case received national media coverage in Greece as it was the first criminal case to allow witnesses to give evidence from abroad using a telelink. 4 key Irish witnesses gave their evidence from the Greek embassy in Dublin. Connolly is a recent law graduate from Trinity College Dublin, and he told the court he wants to become a solicitor. He was supported at the trial by his parents, Dara, a retired solicitor, and Bernard, who runs a pizza restaurant, and a family friend who gave evidence on his behalf. There were 10 scenes at the court on Tuesday morning when Connolly arrived. One supporter of the O'Brien family demanded that the Trinity graduate not tell lies when the case began. Armed judicial police were on duty throughout the hearing that started at 9 a.m. and finished just after 9 p.m. The 3 judges and 4 jury members unanimously found Connolly guilty as charged of deadly bodily harm. They rejected his claims that he had acted in self-defence. There were smiles, tears and hugs among the O'Brien family and their supporters as they learned of the verdict through their legal team. The 24-year-old Connolly was given a 6-year prison sentence, but after a 4-3 vote from the judges and jury, he was allowed out on bail pending an appeal, which could take another 2 years to conclude. In a statement, the Connolly family said they believe the decision does not reflect the true facts. They have lodged an immediate appeal. In a statement, the O'Brien family said they were happy with the result.